Hi guys, I am coming to you to try and help you get through the Google Classroom banner. What you will have to have is you will have to have the class name. So if you're in Art and AV, you will put the Art and AV Tech as the class name. If you're in Tech Apps, you will put the Tech Apps class name. You have to have one image that is unique to you. You can either use a Bitmoji if and only if you are allowed to install it because it has to go onto your cell phone first. And or you could use an image of your favorite thing and just put your name uniquely going across the image. You have to recolor the background of the template, which I'm going to show you in just a minute. And you need to put in a very, very small type, so 8 points, put the banners created by and your name. At the end, you're going to download it as a PNG, which I will show you. And then you simply, on the classroom, you will say add file, and then you can drag and drop the image you just downloaded, or you can go and grab it from wherever you saved it in your computer, probably your downloads folder. So the first thing that you're going to need is to open up the template here. So you click the template, you click to open. It's going to say copy the document, and you want to say make a copy. So when you open the document here, all it has is a big purple box. And one of the rules is that you have to change the color of this box. You can right click on it and choose the background. That's one way to do it. And you might want to make it more interesting by choosing a gradient, something like this. You can do a custom coloring by, hold on a second. Let's see. Right click custom color here. And when you get into the custom coloring, you can decide to put in extra stops. So we want to click in here, add a gradient stop, maybe right there, add in another one right here, right here. You want to maybe check which colors you want to add in there so that we could, in this one, I might want it to be a really light purple. Okay, you can play around with it and make it as pretty as you can. You can even switch it to a linear, change the angles, do all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, I think I might leave it like that for now. And you click OK, and it's going to apply it to the box. So you've recolored it. It says that you have to have at least one image that is uniquely yours. So I have the Bitmoji extension installed, so I would use something like that for myself. Let's see. This is all, of course. Okay. Hey, just something. I'm just going to grab something for now for the purpose of editing here. So you can grab your image, make sure that everything is going to be resized to fit inside of your banner. Don't have anything in the white space. It has to be in the colored space of the banner to fit. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and put in my name. Down here in the lower right-hand corner, we want to make sure that it is no bigger than an 8. I'm going to make something cute, and I want it to be super pink. Banner created by Ms. Brown. Okay, so you can move that around, make sure that it is only in the lower right, out of the way, but it gives credit to whoever made the image, which I want to be sure to do. Okay. So you also have to put in the title of your class here. You do that again with another text box. You can make it nice and big, center it, choose the different types of fonts you want, the different styles you want, the different colors you want. You can also start inserting your images. So I recommend that you go to, actually I require that you go to Google to search for your images, because in Google search, you can set those usage rights. So we want to go here and some images that go with the class. Created our graphic design. Be something we search up here. You've got images. And what's important is this tools box right here so that we can change these usage rights. We do not want to have to use anybody that says that we can't reuse it. Okay, so there's some cool graphics in here that you might want to use for your images that you have to put in there that go along with what we do in the class. Okay, this is a test of how much you remember of what we do in the class as well. Okay. Well, here's some Adobe Photoshop right there. We definitely do that. So something cool. Remember, you got to click open the image and then right click download or save image as, I apologize. Make sure that it has a full name here. It doesn't say download, otherwise you are not downloading it. So we want to, let's go ahead and put it in our desktop. We can say create a new folder if you want. I'm just going to click save, because if you're going to work on this and finish it the same day, you'll see that it drops down everything at the bottom so that we can go ahead and go here and just drag it up and drop it on here. So we're going to reshape it. Now, when we have this and you see you have your image selected, there are format options, and I want you to apply some of these. We can change the size of it, we can rotate it here, or you can grab it and resize it with just the grab handles on there. Okay. The recolor stuff I think is really cool. You can apply some color to this. This also makes sure that when we are reusing someone else's work, we are modifying it to make it our own. It's not just a copy and a paste. That makes it oh, cool. Brighten it up some. Okay, we can put some drop shadow in here. How about we have the purple drop shadow? Okay. Ah. Okay. Now we got it with a little bit of a reflection there. Okay. Just play around with the format options here. Okay. You need to have at least 3 images in here that you have reformatted. and you have played around with that go along with the class. Don't forget to put in the class name here. When you are all finished, you're going to do a file download as a PNG image. Once again, it's going to put the image down here in the bottom of your screen so long as you're using Google. And when you come back to the Google Classroom and you go back and you X out of this tab and you see your assignment and you're in the view assignment, you will see a button that says add, and you want to say add file, and then you're going to take this and you're going to drag and drop it onto the added file. Okay, you can also place it here on the Google Doc that I've provided. However, this will not count as having it turned in as a PNG. You must turn it in as a separate file, and it must be a PNG file. Okay, guys, I hope that this helps, and have a great day.